Today our topic of discussion is algebraic operation on sets। तो algebraic operation इसके अंदर बहुत कुछ आती है, तो एक एक करके स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले यूनियन। तो यूनियन क्या है? यूनियन को देखने के लिए मुझे दो सेट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। तो दो सेट के अंदर यूनियन होता है इंटरसेक्शन, मतलब दोनों के अंदर जो टोटल एलिमेंट है, कॉमन हो अनकॉमन हो कुछ भी चलेगा, वो यूनियन पे आते हैं। और इंटरसेक्शन पे आते हैं जो कॉमन एलिमेंट है दोनों सेट के अंदर। ठीक है, तो द यूनियन ऑफ टू सबसेट ए एंड बी इज सबसेट ऑफ यू। यू इज यूनिवर्सल सेट डिनोटेड बाय ए यूनियन बी, दैट symbol. So most popular rule is A union B. That is, we read like that x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. This or means the union. Okay, and this A union B is said that A subset of A union B and B subset of A union B, where A union B is the big element. For that, A is the smaller than A union B. Now A intersection B. Intersection हो रहा है दो कॉमन एलिमेंट बिटवीन टू सेट्स A एंड B, कॉमन एलिमेंट्स। ठीक है, तो इसको हम लोग कैसे रीड करते हैं? x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. So you can tell and that's intersection or that's union. And disjoint. Two sets are said to be disjoint if their intersection is equals to 5. So if this is the set A and this is the set B, none of them have a common point, that is, so their intersection is 5. So we now tell that they are disjoint. Now we have to start the properties of union and intersection. So the first property is consistency property. So this is a property that connect to each other. If one relation hold, then they must hold from this basic rule. So they are mutually equivalent. For that mean, if this is hold, then they must hold. As an example, you are saying that A equal to 1 2 3 4 5. The 5 elements in A and the set B have 3 elements. So more B is a subset of A, since here A has the 5 elements and B have 3 elements. So always B is subset of A. Now their union is exactly equals to A and their intersection is exactly equals to B. So now proceed some other rule. They are very very important. That's A union 5 that exactly equals to A and A intersection 5 that's equal to A. If you see in Venn diagram, this is A or 5, that doesn't matter. This is null set, no element. So for this and union this is exactly equals to A, this. And other property, if intersection, that's null. तो intersection क्या होगा? 5. If A union U that is universal set, this is universal set. So universal is set is big, that is all possible sets, but A is sum of element, so their union is U, but their intersection is the smallest element, that is A. So this is idempotent element, idempotent law. That's A union A equals to A and A intersection A is equals to A. Now absorption law, A union A intersection B is equal to A and A intersection A union B equals to B. This is absorption law. Commutative law, A union B equals to B union A and A intersection B equals to B intersection A. This is commutative law. And A union B intersection C, so A union B and intersection A union C. And these two are said distributive law. And this is A union A complement. Okay, in Venn diagram we see that A union A complement. This is A. The complement of A is whole, U minus A. A complement is equal to U minus A. So A complement this, A is this. So A and A complement, this is A complement. So they are from that. So this is exactly U. So A union A complement is U, and A intersection A complement is phi. So if their complements also they are phi, and the complement of complement A complement that's complement phi. So complement of complement, that's particular set. Now A union B complement is exactly equals to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B complement is equals to A complement union. These are called De Morgan's law. So now some of them we prove. Some of law are proved after some lecture, but now this is for that. Okay, bye.